Cái này ở khách sạn gì nè? Iriang. Niriang. Khách sạn Niriang. Đây là khách sạn.
उसमें गाड़ी में चप्पल भी होगी ना तुम्हारी? I can open it also. Okay, I'll just brush off. Just to sit on this. क्या बन रहा है आज खाने में?
Dal,
Rice bowl, no?
pork and chicken. I don't know. Let's see. Rice also we have two types of rice.
Oh, wow. Oh, this leaf thing.
Yes.
ये घर पे बनाया?
Yeah.
आपके घर पे?
Yes.
Wow.
I get up in the morning by 4:30.
My God.
Mm,
आपने कुक करा सारा?
Yes, me and my mother.
Mother.
Yes. Because I have a tea shop in my place.
Okay.
That's why.
Yeah. मैंने कहा salad and all.
Yes.
सबके लिए
This plate also is one.
Wow.
Butter? Yes, yes, sir.
ये क्या?
It's with tomato.
एग
Yes.
भुर्जी
Yes.
आ जाओ
I'm scared of sitting on the grass. I can put the leaf in my plate only. Yeah.
वेरी गुड हाँ
Oh my God. Look at this, so cute.
बहुत दिखा है ये
I'm so cute, बोल रही है. It is so cute. Look at it. Have you
more
seen?
danger.
Have you seen something this cute?
देखो
This
अचार
is?
क्या है टू गुड
Thank you.
This is what?
That.
स्पाइसी बट ओह माय गॉड
This is too impressive. प्लेट कौन सा ये लेना क्या?
Yes, 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 sure. You can put that.
मेरे पत्ते तो ला I'll be able to finish it also. I'll try.
नींबू चाहिए? And I have this one also.
What?
Rice.
You have, no?
Yes.
Happy.
अच्छा था जी.
Oh, you didn't take egg? नॉर्मली नींबू किस किस चीज में डालते हैं? खाली सैलेड के अलावा किसी चीज में डालते हैं? किस में?
Oh, ये we call it salad. That one.
नहीं, इसमें नींबू किस में डालूं?
Oh, only Assam.
Only in achar, not in food.
What do I have for sweet?
Sweet. Oh, we don't know.
Y'all don't need sweet. No dessert like kheer or
Only spicy, no sweet.
chicken. आप लोग के लिए है नहीं ना? आप लोग नहीं खा रहे?
No, just onion. You can see the here also. Yes.
Yeah.
My.
ये तो गैस में नहीं बनाया ना, लकड़ी में बनाया ना.
लकड़ी में.
लकड़ी में इसके लिए तो इसका टेस्ट.
Because my mother they afraid of gas.
Yeah.
That's why we use lakri.
You're not married?
No.
No.
Yes.
How old are you?
Yes.
25.
No. 30 years.
People look young. I remember once the guy who took us to Zokku and all, you're like two grown-up children, you look just like 28 and all.
I learned from my mother to cook food. Yes. So mostly in the morning they wake up now, and then they start cutting this potato and beans. And after that we fry.
When do you go buy the vegetables and all? Previous night.
From the market.
Yeah. You'll take half?
You can have
Not
rice
greedy?
also. Sir. You take more rice, huh?
Done, perfect, total full. Everything was really good. Yeah.
He's less than us. Whatever I've noticed.
He does.
I have enough food. Have it.
Have no. No,
If
I'm
you-
asking rule wise. Definitely safer.
Now, if you want to go like that waterfall, no? If you go near the waterfall, also if you came without guide, no, you
Yeah, it's very dangerous.
yeah, you have to go with guide, no?
It's a very good thing that guides are there because so many places it says you can't enter without guide.
Yes.
That makes it safer, no?
Also employment for y'all. Yeah. But the waterfall must be really cold at that time. No? You
Yes,
take them
yes.
and
Very cool. In my village also there is a Nongblai village, no? There are 20 living root bridge there.
Where?
In my village,
Where is the village?
Nongblai.
How far is it?
It's too far and 7,000 steps going down and
Really?
yeah, really.
And you go every day?
Yes, morning, evening. Morning go down for we go to the field.
You farming?
Yes.
What do you grow?
Broom grass and
What's that?
jaru,
Chadu. Oh,
and then bee leaf. Bee leaf.
bay leaf. Wow.
And some of them they plant like that. The one that orange tree, pineapple also we have, and then
Wow.
turmeric, and then yam also, yam and the types of bean also. But the problem is that there is no road, na? So we cannot produce more product in
so
the.
you all
can't take
use
it
it
up.
in your
Yes.
own community.
Yes.
And how many houses are there in the village?
60 or 70
70.
household.
And how much do you all like study? Do you all go up to like 12th standard and after
12, yes. After 10.
that? After 10,
Oh no,
12
10, 8. After complete 8 in my village, and then you have to go to another
village.
village.
Bigger
Yes.
school.
Yeah, we have go to here. There is a Peninsula, and Shillong. Okay.
Did you take photo? He took us eating.
You taking a video. I'm ignoring now.
You okay, na? All?
Everything. Nothing is like below. Everything is amazing.
Everything is too
Nothing is
tasty.
okay.
It's better than that place
And
yesterday.
I'm a very fussy eater.
Yeah, he will not eat everything.
Everything was good.
What do you do with the extra food?
I'll carry back to our home because I have pig chicken and I.
Yeah. It won't get thrown, no?
No.